Welcome to Observers. In this video, I will show you how to see who has not accepted your follow request on Instagram. To do that, open Instagram app on mobile. Click three lines in the top right corner. Press Account Center at the top. Scroll down to Account Settings and press Your Information and Permissions. Press Export Your Information. Press Create Export button. Select the account, and here we have two options: export to device or export to external service. I will choose export to device. Here you can select the date range. I will select last year and then press start export. Once the report is created, you will be able to download it. Once ready, press download button. Report will start downloading in a zip format. Click the report to extract it to a desired location. I will choose File Manager. Then I will select Download folder. After that, I'll go to Extracted folder. I'll press Connections, Followers and Following. And here are all the reports. Press Pending Follow Requests.html. It is an HTML document that will be opened in a web browser like Google Chrome. You can also download these documents on PC and view these there. Report will look like this. These are the people who ignored my follow request. So this is how you can view who did not accept your follow request on Instagram. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.